Introducing document agents from Templafy, a smarter way of automating document generation for your enterprise. Bring AI directly into your team's document workflows that will save time and enhance quality. Now let's take a look at the document agents. I just had a monthly catch-up call with one of our customers. And as a best practice, I send them a brief presentation summarizing what we discussed and the next steps needed. I want to build this presentation with the document agent that I can access directly from PowerPoint. To set the context, I shared the file with my notes from the call with the agent. As different salespersons create these presentations differently, my admin hasn't created a standard template for this, keeping this communication pretty flexible. But the agent always utilizes the branded a compliant corporate template to generate any presentation. Based on my prompt, it can also ask for any additional information that might be needed to generate the document. At the next step, it opens up an outline builder where I can edit the structure suggested by the agent. I just remembered that I need to add another section to highlight the recent progress we made with the account. Here, I can change the title, purpose, content summary, number of slides for each section along with their order. Now that I am happy with the structure, I ask the agent to build the presentation for me. It will take a few minutes to generate the presentation. I can keep tracking the progress in this screen. The agent starts populating the corporate template with relevant content and branded assets, so that the final presentation adheres to the company guidelines from the get-go. It reduces the time I need to spend on editing to create a presentation that can be shared externally with a customer. All right, so it has all the sections mentioned in the outline builder with the proper formatting and compliance. But now I want to add one more slide on the support we need from the stakeholders of this account, so I open the agent from the task pane. Based on my prompt, the agent tries to find if there is any existing slide in the library that matches the requirement. Otherwise, it asks me to create it with AI. Like in the Create flow, the Edit agent also offers a slide structure suggestion. I can request changes. Once satisfied, I can have the slide created with the chosen structure. That's all. I just created a full client deliverable in minutes instead of spending hours on it. To know more about how your teams can benefit from document agents or get a live demo, reach out to your Templafy account representative.